Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I just marinated up some jerk chicken, and I get the request for the jerk chicken. The video for how I marinate it gonna be on my YouTube channel. This is the way how I'm going to cook it. So what I did, I marinate my jerk chicken about 2 hours ago, and I'm gonna show my fans them how I cook it because I get the request for jerk chicken. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 45 minutes, 35 to 45 minutes in the oven, and a medium-sized heat. This is the jerk chicken which I marinate about 2 hours ago. Looking lovely and nice. Some of them I do them for the grill outside, and this one with the skin off, I'm gonna pop them straight in my oven for 45 minutes. Very simple recipe, unique, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. So please stay tuned, and please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, as I show you how I cook this straight in my oven. At the moment, to be honest guys, I got my oven on, I got it on 175, and I'm gonna just pop this straight inside now to cook it for 45 minutes. The request I get, someone requests jerk chicken. I have a lot of jerk chicken on my YouTube channel, but I'm always keeping update with certain things, so stay tuned. Nice and lovely guys. So basically I just take the jerk chicken from the oven, and honestly it is fantastic. Just the way it look, amazing. Anyway, as I can see, that's the jerk chicken, and now as I say, you guys can do the same thing at home. You know what I mean? Just like if you're baking some chicken out of it, just spice it up, bring in that nice lovely flavor, that amazing aroma flavor to the chicken. So anyway, thank you for watching, and you know what I mean, it's just a simple little way or you can do yourself some nice lovely jerk chicken at home from Chef Rickard and the team. Right over here I just did a little bit of the jerk sauce, but you know what I mean, I will be coming with a full video of this jerk chicken again, so bear with me. You know what I mean, a lot of stuff going on in the kitchen at the moment, cooking up some food, bits and pieces. We got rice and peas that I cook also. I will do a video for that. So thank you for watching, and hopefully we can come with more recipe from Chef Rickard and the team. Stay tuned.